What are the different types of asthma? Types of asthma include childhood asthma, adolescent and adult onset asthma, occupational asthma, seasonal asthma, exercise-induced asthma, and catamenial perimenstrual asthma. So let's talk about these types of asthma. The first type of asthma is the childhood asthma. This asthma is the most common type of asthma and it is often caused by allergies or exposure to virus. Symptoms resolve in over two-thirds of children as they grow older. Next type of asthma is adolescent and adult onset asthma. This asthma can develop after a severe viral illness or from an allergy. The next type of asthma is occupational asthma. This asthma is triggered by certain exposures in the workplace like dust or chemicals. The fourth type of asthma is the seasonal asthma. Seasonal asthma improves or worsens as the season changes. Examples of triggers include cold weather or different types of pollen. The next type is the exercise induced asthma. This asthma occurs during or after exercise. The last type of asthma is the catamenial asthma or perimenstrual asthma. This asthma worsens around the time of the women's menstrual cycle. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe PharmCept. Thank you.